In this video, I'm going to show you the project overview of a complete multi-tenant hotel management system that we are going to build together, step by step. We'll leverage the official Laravel 13 with Vue starter kit from authentication and then elevate it into a full production-ready SaaS product. We'll break down how to handle tenant-specific databases or shared schemas, implement deep role-based access control, and build an incredible dashboard using Inertia.js, Tailwind CSS, and ShadCN UI. Multi-tenancy can sound confusing, but it's actually incredibly simple once you visualize it. Imagine we have multiple completely independent hotels using our software: Hotel 1, Hotel 2, and Hotel 3. Each hotel has its own managers, its own rooms, its own guests, and its own bookings. Our main goal is total data isolation. Users at Hotel 1 should never see a single piece of data belonging to Hotel 2 or 3, and vice versa. In this system, a manager is assigned to exactly one hotel, giving them exclusive access to only that hotel's data. Now, to achieve this, we aren't going to create separate database tables for every single hotel. That would be a maintenance nightmare. Instead, our database and tables will remain shared, but we will architect our application so cleverly that the system automatically filters and isolates data based on the active hotel. This is the exact blueprint used by major SaaS platforms worldwide. Let's take a look at the live demo so you can see it in action. To show you true multi-tenancy in action, I have two different browser windows open. On the left, we're logged in as the Manager 1 for the Hotel 1. On the right, we're logged in as the Manager 2 for Hotel 2. Notice how they are using the exact same codebase, but their dashboards look completely different. Notice the metrics right here on our dashboard cards. Hotel 1 shows 65 bookings and over $500 in revenue. Hotel 2 only shows 70 bookings and over $1,700 in revenue. If I navigate to the Bookings tab on both browsers, you can see the booking references are entirely unique. The backend is automatically filtering every single query based on the authenticated manager, meaning a manager from Hotel 1 can never accidentally spy on Hotel 2 data. Let's run a quick live test. I'll add a brand new booking here for Hotel 1. Let's create a reservation for room 1 for a guest named Guest 1. Watch how smoothly this saves. Thanks to Inertia.js and Vue, the page updates the state instantly without a harsh browser reload. This is our reservation. But look over at the Hotel 2 bookings on the right. I can refresh this page all day long and the booking will never show up here. Our data isolation is completely bulletproof, even though all this information is stored in the same database. But multi-tenancy is only half the battle. We also need to control what happens inside hotels. Watch what happens when I log out of Hotel 1 and log back in as admin, who is admin. Because we integrated role-based access control, her sidebar completely changes. The admin can see a dashboard, which is different with Dashboard Manager. Admin can manage hotels and users and assign managers to hotel. And then, for example, if admin tries to get clever and manually type the /bookings URL into the address bar, boom, our Laravel middleware catches it instantly and throws this clean 403 unauthorized screen. Admin can manage hotel, assign manager, user to hotel, and see all reports. If you log as manager, you can see dashboard, manage bookings, create new booking, choose room or create new one if room is not registered, add guest or create new guest if it does not exist in your database, add check-in, check-out, add discount, add note, add service, and payment booking, and save new booking. You can edit booking and delete booking. You can also manage guests, rooms, services, and get reports. Now that you've seen the finished product, let's stay here for the moment. In upcoming episode, we'll start building this from scratch. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a like. And if you have any specific topics you'd like to see covered, please leave them in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you can be notified for future training videos. Thanks for watching.